was a young boy, I was honest and I had more self-control. If I was tempted, I would run. And when I got older, I began to lie to get exactly what I wanted when I wanted it. And I wanted it. I'm having trouble differentiating between what I want and what I need to make me happy. So instead of thinking, I just act before I have a chance to contemplate the consequence of action. And I will shut down. You got me going the restless in my head. Cause I want to listen to me too all the time. Then I sit all apart. Ever since I figured out that I could control other people, I've had trouble sleeping with both eyes closed. If I have permission, if I make sure it's okay, I promise I won't slip up this time. You can trust me. But never take advice from someone who just admitted to being devious, who just confessed to treason. And I'm the lost and never ask the question that I cannot ask myself, for it might dirty up your conscience. I want to listen to me too all the time. Then I sit all apart of mine. And I will turn on, and I will shut down, burying the voices of my conscience hitting ground. And I will turn off, and I will shut down. The chemicals are restless in my head.
Made a wrong turn once or twice, dug my way out, blood and fire. Bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to my silly life. Mistreated, misplaced, misunderstood, Mr. No Way, it's all good. It didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty, pretty please, don't you ever, ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty please, if you ever, ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect to me. You're so mean when you talk about yourself. You're wrong. Seems the voices in your head make them like you instead. So complicated, look how we all make it, filled with so much hatred, such a tired game. It's enough, I've done all I can think of, chased down all my demons, I've seen you do the same. Oh, pretty, pretty please, don't you ever, ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty, pretty please, if you ever, ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect to me. You're perfect, you're perfect, yeah. You're perfect, you're perfect.